Have you noticed that some people are making money online using AI, even without coding skills, a business degree, or a large social media following? The truth is, AI is creating opportunities that simply didn't exist a few years ago. And no, I'm not talking about get rich quick scheme. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 realistic ways people are using AI to learn money right now. Some of these methods require zero investment, and one of them can be started in less than an hour. Make sure you stay until the end because I will also reveal the biggest mistake beginners makes and trying to make money with AI. So let's get started. Method number one, AI content creations. The first method is AI content creations. Businesses constantly need blog posts, social media content, emails, product descriptions, and marketing copy. Tools like ChatGPT and other AI writing assistants can help create this content much faster than traditional methods. Here's how people are making money. They offer content writing services to small businesses, startups, and online stores. Instead of spending hours writing everything from scratch, they use AI to create a first draft and then edit it to improve quality. Many freelancers charge anywhere from 50 to several $100 per project. The key isn't letting AI do all the work. The key is combining AI speed with human creativity and editing. I'm talking about method number two, AI video creation. The second method is creating videos with AI. Many YouTube channels today are completely faceless. Creators use AI tools for scripting, writing, voice generation, video editing, and even thumbnail creation. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a camera. You don't even need to show your face. Businesses also pay for professional videos, social media clips, and short form content. As video demand continues to grow, AI powered video creations has become a valuable skill. The opportunities isn't just creating contents yourself, it's creating content for others who don't have the time or expertise. Okay, now method number three, AI social media management. The third method is managing social media accounts using AI. Millions of businesses struggles to post consistently on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. AI can help generate post ideas, captions, hashtags, and content calendars. This allows one person to manage multiple accounts efficiently. Imagine helping five local businesses improve their online presence while using AI to speed up your workflow. Many social media managers earning recurring monthly income because clients needs ongoing support. That means predictable revenue instead of consistently searching for new customers. Now, method number four, sell digital products. The fourth method is selling digital products. Digital products can include ebooks, guides, templates, planners, checklists, prompts, and educational resources. AI can help with research, writing, organizations, and brainstorming ideas. The advantage of digital products is scalability. The advantage of digital products is scalability. You create something once and potentially sell it hundreds or even thousands of times. Many creators use platforms like Easy or their own websites to sell digital products worldwide. While success isn't guaranteed, digital products can create an additional income stream without dealing with physical inventory. Now, next, method number 5, AI powerful freelancing. Method number 5 is AI powered freelancing. Traditional freelancing skills are becoming more valuable and combine AI with, for example, graphic design, copywriting, marketing, research, presentation, creation, customer support, data organizations. AI doesn't replace skilled freelancers. It helps them work faster and handle more projects. Clients care about results. If AI helps you deliver quality work more efficiently, that competitive advantage. The goal is not to compete with AI. The goal is to use AI better than your competition. Okay. Now next, method number 6, build an AI YouTube channel. Method number 6 is starting a YouTube channel about AI. AI is one of the fastest growing topics online. People want tutorials, they want tool reviews, they want productivity tips, and they want practical ways to save times and make money. You don't need to be an expert, you simply need to learn, test tools, and share your experience. As your audience grows, you can earn through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and digital products. Many successful channels started with simple screen recording and clear explanation. Now, next, method number 7, AI consulting from small businesses. The seventh method is AI consulting. Many business owners knows AI is important, but they don't know where to start. If you learn how AI improve customer service, content creation, marketing, or workflow automations, you can help businesses implement those solutions. You don't need to be a programmer. You simply need to understand the tools and how to solve real problems. Businesses pay for expertise that saves them time and money. That's where apology exists. Normally, people do biggest mistakes. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake beginners makes. They spends weeks jumping from tool to tool. One day they are trying AI writing, and the next day they are trying AI video creations. Then they are testing 10 different business ideas. The results, no real progress. Instead, choose one more method. Focus on it for next 30 days. Learn the skill, create value, get your first client or first sale. Consist- Consistency beats chasing every new AI trends. AI is changing how people work, create, and earn money. But remember, AI is a tool. The real value comes from how you use it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI and online business contents, and let me know in the comment section which AI incomes methods you are most interested in typing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.